It's me being clueless that this was gonna hit. Hi. Yes, sir. Clock it.
The micro miniskirts, a form of liberation. The hemline index is a theory that suggests that skirt lengths, hemlines rise or fall along with stock prices. The hemline of skirts can vary from micro to floor length. I started by measuring the required length for the micro miniskirt. I proceeded with joining the center front of the micro miniskirts, starting from the hemline towards the waistline, leaving 22.5 centimeters allowance for the zip fly. Slash pocket construction commenced with joining of the curved opening from the skirt side seam and open pocket curved side, with the right sides facing each other. Moving on to the back, I started by joining the center back. Before top stitching the back pocket, I started by closing the back darts of the skirt.
I'm just going to measure my buttonhole center, buttonhole foot. I nearly got one. Hey girl, let me talk to you. Okay, so we're starting with J. I just broke a needle. That's sad. Luckily, I got a pack with 3. And I recently got a new pack. Okay, let's change the needle very fast and carry on. It's almost done. Almost done. Okay. Okay, the skirt is done. I got the silver button. It actually matches the previous coats that I made. I'm going to try on the previous coat from the previous video. How is this looking so good together? Like, strangely. Do you see it? Okay, then I'm going to put it back on the side because I want to see it. And I can hardly see it from the back. You can hardly see it from the back, but it's there. And it's cute. Okay, I'm moving it back to the side. Yes. See you next time. Bye. Toodles.